Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing besan bread toast recipe made with leftover homemade bread. Besan toast is healthy, filling and an easy and quick healthy breakfast, or you can enjoy it as a healthy evening snack. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the recipe. To make besan bread toast, into a bowl I'm adding in 1 cup chickpea flour, also known as besan flour or kadala maavu in Malayalam. So that is 1 cup of chickpea flour. Add in half teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder, 1/3 teaspoon turmeric powder. Today I am using Vigon turmeric which has high curcumin content. 1 teaspoon sesame seeds. Sesame seeds helps to balance your hormones and also is a good source of healthy fat. 1/4 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder. Black pepper powder helps in better assimilation of the active ingredient in turmeric known as curcumin. So do try to include at least a fat pinch of black pepper powder when you are using turmeric powder. Half teaspoon roasted jeera powder, also known as cumin powder. Half teaspoon amchur powder, also known as dry mango powder. 1/3 teaspoon homemade asafoetida powder. I have already shared how to make asafoetida powder or hing at home. Please do check it out. 1/3 teaspoon ajwain, and when you're adding ajwain, lightly crush and then add. Ajwain, jeera powder and asafoetida powder helps with digestion, so try not to omit it. Add in pink Himalayan salt as needed and give this all a nice mix. Add in half cup water and mix this really well into a soft batter. The batter is slightly thick, so I'm going to add in a couple of tablespoons water. And mix well into a smooth batter. The batter should neither be too thick nor too thin. It should be of pourable consistency. And make sure that there are no lumps in the batter, so you need to blend it into a smooth batter. You can blend with the back of the spoon as I am showing in the video, so that the small lumps in the chickpea flour are dispersed into the batter. And there is no need to add any soda powder in this batter. This can be made as a quick and easy filling meal for breakfast or as a quick evening snack. Mash the lumps of the chickpea flour with the back of the spoon until everything is nicely mixed and combined. Okay, now the batter is nicely blended and is of pourable consistency, or it should coat the back of the spoon. So this is the consistency the batter should be. It should neither be too thick nor too thin, but of pourable consistency and should coat the back of the spoon. Into this I am adding in 2 tablespoons grated carrot, 1 tablespoon finely chopped coriander leaves, 1 green chili which I am finely chopping and adding in. Finely chop the green chilies into the batter. Green chili and red chili powder you can increase or decrease as per your taste. Into this I am grating in a small piece of ginger. Ginger also helps with digestion and also will give a nice flavor to the besan toast. For those who has discomfort when consuming besan, please don't skip adding in the jeera powder, ajwain, hing and ginger. All this will help with digestive issues, so try not to skip them. Into this I am adding in half of an onion finely chopped. And now mix all this really well. At this stage, if you feel you need more salt, you can add in, but remember there will be salt in the bread slices, so add salt accordingly. And the batter is now ready, so let's start making the toast. To make the toast, I am using my homemade bread. I have already shared how to make bread at home. Please do check the recipe. Heat a cast iron tawa and add in 1 teaspoon wood pressed groundnut oil. Instead of wood pressed groundnut oil, you can also use desi ghee instead. Healthy cooking is all about using the right quality of oils. So try to use wood pressed oils for your better health. And if you don't prefer wood pressed groundnut oil, you can use any wood pressed oils you can source locally. Now I'm dipping the bread into the batter. And once the bread is dipped, both sides are dipped, place it onto the tawa. Don't dip it for too long, the bread will become soggy. Just dip it once or twice and then take it out and place it onto the tawa. Reduce the flame to the lowest and allow that side to get lightly toasted. Drizzle in wood pressed groundnut oil on top and on the sides as well, and carefully flip it over. Remember that I am using a well seasoned cast iron tawa, hence the toast does not stick to the tawa. If your cast iron is not well seasoned, it will stick to the tawa. Also, cast iron has more heat retention and hence this will get toasted really fast. Carefully flip it over again. My bread slices are slightly thick, so I'm just making sure that the sides are also toasted really well. Once done, carefully flip it over. And once both sides are toasted really well, transfer to a plate. Before dipping the bread, make sure you give a quick stir to the batter so that all the ingredients are nicely dispersed and will be coated over the bread. With this batter, you can make 6 slices of besan toast. So guys, do try this healthy besan toast and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.